Hello everyone and happy January. Welcome to the unboxing for the knit box for making noise for January 2024. My name is Kyle and each month we send out these boxes to our subscribers of the knit box. They receive a pattern, they receive yarn, some kind of a treat, usually a little gift. There's of course the printed copy of the pattern in here as well. And in this case, something that's making noise. So I'm gonna open this box and take a peek and show you what is in here. So this month we have a little packet of yarn and we're gonna open this and show you what is inside here. So the January knit box was all about simple beginnings and just a little taste of trying something new for some folks. So the yarn is this one here. It's Highland Luxe. It's a really lovely, super soft yarn. It's 90% Andean Highland wool and 10% kid mohair. So the mohair adds just a little bit of halo, just a tiny bit of halo to the yarn. This is color 4104 Mist. It's a lovely, lovely, comfy color. So that's the yarn, but what was making noise in here? Oh, there's a couple things. Oh, it's the gift. So the gift are these little stitch markers, which are hard to see. They're in this tiny little container, so it's perfect for keeping just a couple little stitch markers in your bag. So these are goldish and brass. It's gonna be hard to show you, but there is a, come on, we can do it, little tiny ring. So there's 3 of those, and then something to commemorate the new year. How do I make you see this? How do I help you see this? Can you see it? It says 2024. Stay there. There you go, 2024. So there's a new year stitch marker, 3 rings that are fixed in this little container. So those are here. There's of course a little joke, a little punny joke that is in here as well. There's a download code for the pattern and then the pattern itself. There's also some candies. So there is, these are little caramels in same little brassy gold color. And then this tiny bag, which doesn't really look like much and it's hard to show in the bag, but these are called crystalettes. They are a Swarovski fancy sort of version of a bead, I guess. So they are a crystal set in a metal body with a little tiny loop on the back, and you use them like beads to adorn your knitting. And then there's also these little dental floss threaders, which are probably also hard to see inside this plastic, which is the way that we used them to put them on the project. And the project is this. So there's the picture. There's Ashley wearing the hat. This is the Bright Beginnings hat. And if I bring this here, let's see if I can make it so you can see it. So you can kind of see those cute little crystalettes. So there are some solid metal ones, and then there are just a number of those with a little bit of a sparkle. There is a little bit of a ribbing detail that's on this little slouchy hat. It's a bit of comfort, right? A little comfort knitting. There's just a tiny bit of patterning that we're doing, and it's mostly just stockinette, which makes it for easy knitting into the new year. There in the tiny little column of beads is just one opportunity to add that bead. In the video tutorial that's connected to this pattern, we show you how to use the little dental floss threader to add these tiny beads. It works for small circumference projects, small circumference beads, little tiny beads, really well, especially if you don't have a crochet hook on hand. So if you have a super tiny crochet hook that fits through the bead, then you can certainly use that, but these work as well. So that is the stuff that's in this month's knit box. I think these might be totally sold out. You can always check on our website under knit box to see if there are any remaining boxes available. February is right around the corner, and that is a really exciting one as well. Gotta say, it is a lovely big opportunity to do something fun. So if you haven't signed up, then we encourage you to do that. Head on over again to Knitbox on makersmercantile.com. Click on subscription. You'll subscribe. It's the same $35 a month. once a month and just goes and goes. And then whenever you're ready to pause or cancel, you can do that by just reaching out to us or filling out the survey that's linked to the sign up form. Is that it? I think that might be it for this lovely January. So enjoy making the Bright Beginnings hat. If you have questions or need anything from us, you can always find us by contacting us through the website, either by email or phone. And in the meantime, have fun being creative and curious, and try new things this new year. And we will see you again in February. Thanks for watching.